Okay, so we're going to start a new document, and I usually go with this large HD TV size. And for whatever reason, it always defaults to this checkerboard pattern, which kind of looks cool, but I don't like to work in this. I don't like that distraction. It's very busy. So I usually do this. I'll go up to File, Document Setup. I'll change it to white, just nice and uniform color there. And then as far as guides and stuff, you can set up, show the grid, which is probably pretty handy. And then if you do snap to grid, that's probably also pretty handy, because what I like about that is that it locks it. Like when you move stuff, it will move uniform. When I arrow key over, it's jumping one square at a time. And for a lot of the types of things you'll make in Illustrator, that's a good thing. So for example, if I'm going to move this, it will now, whoops, I just want one of them. So I'll select just one square and move that. So you can see it's jumping one square at a time while the other one's holding still. Yeah, so that's kind of, I guess you could call that setting up your workspace.